Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making a happy home paradise vacation home on Animal Crossing. So let's get started with the video. Let's go to work. So let's see who's there. Today we're going to be making a house for Joey. Let's go and get our uniform on. I'm really sorry, I actually forgot to put the clip on where I was choosing where he would live, so let's start decorating the house. So Joey wants this house themed spa and cafe. Inside we're going to do a mainly cafe part, but there will be a sort of spa part, but most of the spa parts will be outside. Right now I'm making a sitting area. In every house I make on Animal Crossing Happy Home Paradise, I include a bed, so we're going to have a bed in the corner. Next we're going to place this divider. I'm not actually sure whether I'm going to put the bath inside or outside. I think outside because all the baths are quite big. I'm going to put an entrance rug down. Next I'm going to put a table down. So over here I'm going to make a small sitting area because it's a cafe. And over here I'm going to place a humidifier. I think a tapestry on the wall would be quite nice. A lot of cafes have ice cream cases, so I'm going to put one of those down. We are done with the inside, so let's move on to the exterior. Outside I'm going to have loads of flowers, a bath and probably a palm tree. I'm going to place down this square bathtub. I'm going to have a spa area on the beach. I'm not actually quite sure what a bath bucket is, but I'll put it on the beach. I'm going to put some sandals on the beach. Over here there's going to be a gardening area with some vegetables. As a little detail, I'll add a shovel. By the way, thank you so much for all the support on my videos recently, guys. So I'm going to add one palm tree over here. Some fencing around the garden area would be really nice. That's it. Feel free to let me know if you like it in the comments. I just need to take some pictures before I leave. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, and please feel free to like and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2025. So thank you so much and have a great day.